time you're tuning in, this is a platform where we learn French. So do not like my videos if you find them useful, do share to loved ones, and do subscribe if you do not yet subscribe. Okay, so today we'll be looking at the verb to be, etre. The verb to be, which means etre. So this verb is an auxiliary verb, and it's quite important for us to know the verb etre. And we'll start with the first step by looking at it in our present tense. By looking at how the verb etre is conjugated in the present tense in French language, so that this will help us as we move on in our learning. So let's start with how to conjugate the verb etre in present tense. Okay, so this is how to conjugate the verb etre, to be, which means to be in English language in present tense. So it's quite important for us to know our grammar so that we will understand the content and the usage. So it will help us in our communication skills as well. So when we are communicating with somebody, we understand the in-depth of what we are saying. We're not just saying it because we know that it's how to say it, but we understand when to use it and how to make use of it. Okay, so we have the verb etre in present tense. So we have je suis, which means I am. I am. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are. That is for the masculine gender. And we have elles sont, they are, for the feminine gender. Can you know difficult? So we can learn it and just have it upstairs here in our brain. So let's go through it once more. We have je suis, which means I am. Tu es, which means you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, they are, which is for the masculine gender. We have elles sont, they are, which is for the feminine gender. So this is how to conjugate the verb to be, etre, in present tense. I hope you can start saying it even without looking at anything. I hope you can start reciting it. Not just to recite, but to have it upstairs to be able to understand. Now when they say ils sont or elles sont, you know that it means they are, and you can differentiate which gender this is talking about, because the French people respect that so much. They make sure that when they are writing down, when they are communicating, whatever they are saying, respect gender and number. So do well to note this down as we start learning our verbs. Okay, so let me read to you at the comment section if you have anything to say as regarding the verb etre, which is an auxiliary verb, which is to be in English language. I'll be glad to meet with you at the comment section and to reply you. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Do share to loved one and do subscribe if you are yet to. And for those who've subscribed, I say a big thank you. See you next time. À la prochaine.